unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
To cook a turkey, start by preheating your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. Remove the giblets and neck from the turkey cavity, rinse the turkey, and then pat it dry with paper towels. Next, lightly oil and season the turkey inside and out. To keep the turkey moist, fill the cavity with chopped onions, carrots, apples, and herbs. Place the turkey breast side up on a rack in a roasting pan. Tent the turkey with foil and roast, removing the foil for the last hour for browning. Cooking time varies, so use a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the thigh to ensure it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, for safety.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.